This is super important if you want to find the best treadmill for walking at home. There are many products available to choose the best treadmills for home, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best treadmills for home for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 Manual Incline Treadmill. The next one up is Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400, a manual incline treadmill. I wanted to share my thoughts on this budget-friendly home workout option. First and foremost, I appreciated its affordability, which is perfect for those who are new to fitness or are on a tight budget. The manual incline feature with 3 adjustable levels allowed me to increase the intensity of my workout without breaking the bank. I found the backlit LCD display helpful for tracking my time, distance, speed, calories burned, and pulse rate during my workout sessions. The treadmill is also very quiet, and I've noticed that I can watch videos on my phone without any distractions. If you're looking for a quiet one, this one definitely delivers. The compact size of the SFT 4400 is excellent for small spaces. The lack of advanced features, however, might not be ideal for experienced fitness enthusiasts who require more variety in their workouts. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7945 Under Desk Treadmill. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7945 Under Desk Treadmill is a different ballgame. It slim as a supermodel and slips under your desk or bed like a sneaky little snake. I had absolutely no issues moving it around my house. It is light, plus it has solid transportation, wheels. The digital monitor and remote control make it a cinch to track your progress and adjust your pace. The remote, while clunky at first, became super handy once I got used to it. It has no incline, which may bother some, but it makes up for what it offers. Though it isn't built for speed demons or workout warriors, it will suit you perfectly for light walking and intense jogging. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7724 Energy Flex Treadmill. This treadmill got speeds from 0.6 mph to 10 mph, and with 15 auto incline levels, that got from 0% to 12%. With this option, I can crank up the challenge and mix up my workouts. The backlit color screen is a cool touch, showing my speed, time, distance, calories burned, pulse, and incline. Plus, there are many workout options like 3 countdown workouts, 3 custom exercises, a BMI calculator, and 16 preset programs. Some nifty extras include a device holder with a media port, pulse sensors, an emergency stop clip, bottle holders, built-in speakers, a soft drop system, and wheels to move it around. But the speakers could use a sound boost. Even with that little hiccup, the Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7724 Energy Flex treadmill's been a superb buy, and I'd tell anyone looking for a versatile and handy treadmill for their home gym to go for it. The design is rather simple, nothing special, minimalists would love it. Number 2. Proform City 6 Lira Treadmill. City 6 Lira Treadmill by Proform is the real deal, my ultimate favorite on this list. Let's check out what makes this treadmill shine, as the top pick. It's got all the goodies, features and functionality, and it's super reliable. Perfect for indoor walking workouts. The motor. Quiet as a mouse, you can chill while burning those calories. The LCD monitor's a piece of cake to use, showing your speed, distance, time, and calories. Adjustable incline. No, it doesn't provide you with that feature. However, considering how much it offers, I don't think that this is a deal breaker. This one's built quite tough and sturdy, you can tell it's in it for the long haul. Plus, the cushy deck's easy on your joints, making each step a breeze. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7610 Easy Assembly Folding Treadmill. After best under desk comes the best folding treadmill. This spot was given to Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7610 Easy Assembly Folding Treadmill. This compact and portable simple treadmill for walking offers an excellent solution for those with limited space or who need to store their treadmill after use. The compact size was perfect for a small apartment, and the folding feature made storage a breeze. What a wonderful and convenient option. When you're through using it, it folds up into a neat little package, so owning it is like having a Swiss Army knife for treadmills. It is perfect for those who live in tight quarters and want something simple for going for a brisk walk or a jog in their spare time. It would be unreasonable to have all of the bells and whistles of those fancy schmancy treadmills because of their price point. And it doesn't. But it is my recommendation if you are looking for an easy to assemble and compact treadmill at an affordable price. That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.